Namaskaram. Welcome to Shoes Eternity. So this is a preview of the sarees that we are going to be showing in today's live video at 6 o'clock. We have come up with a lot of varieties, beautiful sarees this time. So the range is going to start from 1480 and it goes up to 6500 in today's video. These are the varieties that we are going to be showing. This is a pure Chanderi cotton silk sarees with block prints. This is one variety, and we've got beautiful shibori with jerry borders, and we've got very pretty Dabu Maheshwari digital printed kalamkari on Chanderi. So these are the colors. So we'll show you a sample of 10 or 12 in each variety in today's show, but the website will carry more than 50 sarees in each variety. So it's going to be a very interesting live this time. So next we have block printed tussar, beautiful colors, hand painted block printed tussars. These are the varieties that we have. Very pretty color combinations, all with jerry borders. And then we have hand buttied on Murshidabad silk. These are without blouses. So these are just samples of what we are going to be showing. So the website will carry a lot more variety in these sarees that we'll be showing in today's live video. It's going to be an interesting session, so please don't forget to tune in to our page at 6 o'clock today. See you and happy shopping.